Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to see your total brilliant moves in chess.com. Now, of course, you need to be signed in, and once you're logged in, I want you to look to your left-hand side, this menu here. You want to click on More, and then under More, hover your mouse on Train. These other options will appear. You want to click on Insights. Now, for you to see your actual brilliant moves, you need to have your account upgraded to the diamond membership. If not, you won't be able to see this. So just take note of that. But we can still show you how it works. Once you are in your menu, for example, we're going to use Hikaru's profile here. You want to click on moves here. On this menu here, click on moves and then click on move quality, right? And you're going to see your brilliant moves over here. So you're going to have the percentage and the total amount. So that is how you see your brilliant moves in chess.com. Again, you need to be upgraded your account. I mean, you need to be upgraded to the diamond membership for you to see these statistics. So after that, you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.